If you have created a new custom mode or added an option to this mode's table or list, you may notice that it is causing issues. You may not be able to select an equipment type on your load when you've created it or during load creation, and you may not be able to add accessorials to your loads, your carrier, or your customer quotes. After this mode has been created, there are a few things that we have to do to make sure that it all flows and works as expected. The first thing we're going to do is add the mode to the global pick list value set. That way this new mode is available across the TMS and across those objects. I'm going to go into the mode and copy and paste the name exactly as it is. And then I'm going to click on the gear or the sprocket in the top right and go to setup. In the top left, there's going to be a quick find. Here, I'm going to begin typing in value, and then I want to select pick list value sets. This will give me a list of all of the global pick list value sets that are used throughout the instance or the TMS. I'm going to go ahead and click on modes, and then you'll see the list of pick list values or options for that mode. You will notice that your new custom option is not there. We need to add it. I'm going to click on new and then paste the value that I copy and pasted or copied from my mode record, the new one that I created. And you want to make sure you set the add new pick list values to all record types that use this global value set. Then click save. Now this pick list value will be available on my other records. The next thing we need to do after we've added our new mode in the pick list value set is review our accessorials. So from the TMS admin tab, I'm going to go to this accessorials list. From this list, you have a mode field. If your new custom mode is not included in each of your accessorials or within the accessorial, that accessorial will not be available for the load or the quotes where you have the new mode set. So what you want to do is either select all and edit or go to each one. Double click on the mode field or go into the accessorial, and then you want to select the new mode example, move it to the chosen field, and click save. So now we will see the new mode example has been added to that top accessorial. Now, anytime we create a load, the mode is set as my new mode or new mode example. Then I will be able to add blind shipments as an accessorial to that load. The third thing we need to do is make sure that this mode is included in our equipment types. Back to TMS admin tab. This time I'm going to equipment types, and I'm going to go into one of my equipment types like dry van. Each equipment type has a similar mode multi-select pick list. I need to make sure that my equipment types include my new mode. That way I will have it to select when I am creating a new load. So if I go back into this load, this time I'm going to select my new mode example. Remember last time or the beginning of this video, we did not have any equipment types. This time I have the one because I have added that mode in as a value. The last item that you want to look at in TMS admin tab again, this time we're going to customer invoice documents. If you have any mode specific customer invoice documents, you will need to make sure that you have added in the mode for each of those documents. In the list that I'm showing you, I don't have any that are mode specific. Let's say that I do. I'm going to use this authority as an example. I need to make sure that I select my new mode or that new custom mode as an option. That way my documents are populating and being added to those invoices as we need them to.